Hey, what's up mga kasgoy? Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's vlog, we're going to do unboxing. Alright? If you're ready mga kasgoy, let's do this. Let's go! Okay mga kasgoy, So, ito yung mga stock natin, Ito ang Nike M2K Techno LX. Okay. Maganda to mga kasigoy, Okay, ito siya, Ganda, Astig na astig mga kasigoy, Okay, comment down below. This is size 10 for women. But for the guys, magpi-fit to guys sa size 8.5. Normally kasi less 1.5 kapag ladies size, women's size, So minus 1.5. So therefore this is 8.5, So let me repeat again the brand. This is Nike model M2K Techno LX. Ganda guys, Nakikita mo yung fair niya. Okay, bagong dating lang to, bagong stock. So nag-iisa lang siya normally, isa na lang to. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this is Nike. This is size 8.5, Nike Air Max. Ano to? Tailwind. Nike Air Max Tailwind. This is size 8.5, guys. Solid na solid to, Yan. Astig, guys. Makikita mo yung outsole niya, This is legit. Let me remind you guys, This is original, And brand new. So makikita nyo guys, So comment down below or visit my Facebook on marketplace, Nakalist lahat ng mga sapatos ko doon online, So you could drop by to my shop also in CAC Clothing Article Trading in 967 JNF, Divino Building, Aurora Boulevard, Quezon City. So if you have time, you could drop by, guys. Anyway, this is all original, okay? And it was for sale. Yan, astig, Solid na solid, guys. Okay. Okay, next. Okay. Next is Nike Outburst, This is size 10 for women. For the guys, this size, woman size 10 will be fit for 8.5, 8.5. Ayan, makikita mo guys, Ganda niyan. Nike. Solid na solid, mga kusagoy, So, comment down below. This is size 10 for women and 8.5 for men. Okay, guys. Comment down below. If you want to grab this, comment down below. Okay? The next. This is Nike Air Max 97 PW. Ito, one of my favorite, guys. This is size 8, Yan, astig, guys, All original, brand new. Yan, size 8. So, for women, this is fit for size 9.5, Sa babae, Unisex naman siya, Makikita mo. Solid na solid, guys, Astig ng forma ng design. So, yan lang. no? Makikita nyo talaga yung ano niya, brand new. So hindi kayo talo doon. Later on, we will, about the price, just comment down below if you want to grab this. Doon tayo makipag-usap. Visit my marketplace, Cesar Castillo, no? On my Facebook page. So guys, if you're still willing and you want to grab some shoes, sneakers, just comment down below. I hope nakapagbigay ako ng mga magagandang klase ng sapatos. It's been a long time na hindi ako nag-unbox. Nakita nyo yung mga shoes ko. And later on, magpapakita pa ako ng marami, no? So, I have lots of stocks, no? So, if you have some, you know, sneakers model, just comment down below. Then later on, if I had the stock, you know, with good prices, with discounted prices, just comment down below. Then I will give you discount. Walang problema yan sa akin, guys, no, mga kasgoy. Yun lang naman sa akin, at least sa akin, masuot nyo yung mga sapatos na binibenta ko. I'm very much happy, no? And you are all welcome to drop by my shop, no? As I've said, no? My shop located in 967 JNF, no? The Bino Building, Aurora Boulevard, Quezon City. Ground floor. Ay mga kasgoy, this has been Cesar Castillo Jr. saying, tirahin mo na yan at baka tirahin pa ng iba. Until next time, peace to everyone.